Alright, if you got a Cadillac XTS or if you installing a kickers, any CXA, what you don't have to do, you don't have to install one of this line out converter, which is got the remote output and everything. You don't need that. All you will need is an you need a wire that connected to the subwoofer over there. So, and then you're gonna have to I'm gonna show you how to run the wire. This is basically a bypass without using a line out converter, okay, for the kickers CXA. So I got the RCA jack right here. This is one female, two male. But what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cut right here in the middle. I'm gonna use the knife or blades, whatever. You can cut it, and should have two wire in there. Some of them got 4 wire because I don't know how this is work. You can just get a regular RCA jack. One ground, one negative, one positive. So basically cut that off right there. Now the problem is you got to figure out which one is the positive, which one is the negative. I'm going to use the ohmmeters, not ohmmeter, voltmeter. I'm going to use a tone generator. I'm going to strip this out real quick. I'm pretty sure the one with the white is probably a negative. I'm not 100% sure on. ABY is a little bit different, but I'm gonna do it right here. I'm gonna test it. I'm gonna strip that. I'm gonna put on a right here. It's called continuity test. It's got this line right here with like a beep. If it touch each other, it's gonna beep. Beep. It didn't do it on this time. Okay, there you go. You hear that noise? That's a noise. So we're gonna put on this side, one on this side. I don't know which side it is. I'm gonna touch this. So it's this one. It's the negative side right here, okay? This is positive, this is negative. So I knew it. I knew that this is gonna be the same way too. I'm gonna strip it out just to be safe. I'm gonna do it again on this one right here. See? So I was right. So what you do, you're gonna go like this, and you're gonna have a butt connector, trim cap, whatever you use. You can use whatever you feel like doing it. I'm not gonna try to tell you. You can use tape, whatever. And now this side's gonna be both positive. I'm gonna strip it again. Now thanks to Mike, I've done a video like somewhat like this about 4 years ago, maybe 3.5. My first YouTube on how to do a Cadillac. I will link that below, how I've done it. But I haven't really done on this XTS. So this is how you're gonna do it. This is negative, this is positive. So let's go to the speakers. I got blue as positive, and then brown is negative from the speaker over there. I could not exactly remember how. I did have a video on this too. I will share a link which color it is and what color it is to do that. Alright, so I got blue as positive, and as I mentioned before earlier, so this is positive, the one with the like I said, you have to test them. Okay, so I'm gonna put this to the positive. And then I got the other one, which is usually a clear one, is negative. And all I'm gonna be doing is plug to the amp. I'm gonna cut this wire out from the line out converter that we use. I'm gonna use the I'm just gonna take it out. I'm gonna use the Torx drivers to take it out. Now I'm gonna remove the. You can use this. You can use an Allen wrench on this. I mean, this amp is it's easy. I'm gonna take the remote out. I'm gonna take the ground out. I'm gonna use a ferrule for this one because I don't have to put ground anything like that. Making sure it's long enough wire for me. This is an oxygen-free OFC wire that I ran with this model. It's a little bit short right there, so I'm gonna strip it out a little bit using a blade. Alright, I'm gonna just strip it a little bit more so I have a long enough blade for this ferrule. Ground is one with the black. You want to make sure, I mean, it don't really matter, but you want to know black is always ground. You don't want people to put black and then you thought it was ground and then power, you know, get confused. So I'm going to loose this all the way out. I'm going to put it back and tighten it right there. You see how nice it looks? I'm not going to do anything with the remote because the remote's going to turn on by itself with this model. I'll cut this out because I don't need that no more. I'm gonna leave the jack here, maybe take the old jack off. I don't need this wire anymore. See this wire right there that I ran to the subwoofer? I'm gonna just plug on the input. It doesn't matter left or right. I'm gonna click this to high input right here. And then, I mean, basically that's it. I'm gonna turn it on and see if it does come on or not. Okay, wish us luck.